Hello from Dublin Airport. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
And so I find myself back at Dublin Airport, ready to head to Bordeaux. So it turns out I did have fast track access. Got through in less than 5 minutes, giving me a little bit more time in the lounge. The crew getting on said, "Are you going to film us today?" I said, "No, I'm not allowed to anymore." So they acknowledged that that is true. So
slightly overcast temperature of 13 degrees. I'll be flying you down to Bordeaux. Once we're establishing the cruise, give you an updated time of arrival, routing and the current weather. For now, enjoy the flight. Thank you.
it's reassuringly fast to get through passport control here at Bordeaux Airport. The next task for me is to get an LFT or antigen test ahead of my trip to the United States tomorrow. So it's done. I have a negative test result and so I can head to the United States of America.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Welcome to the Ibis budget at Bordeaux Airport. Is it glamorous? Is it heck? Right inside the door there is this second door with the Twilight Zone all of its own. Stippled walls. In happier news, there's air conditioning. Who'd have thunk it? This didn't cost very much money, about 40 euros. But right in your bedroom is the shower. I hope you like your friends and your lovers. That smells dank. Also in the middle of the room is this pillar, which has got a light on it and a tiny sink with operational water. On the other side is another mirror and a desk. I'm not sure you could call this desk, more a plastique formation. There's two little beds in here, little singles. I think they're quite small. And outside the window there's some grass and some automobiles. But there is happily art. I think we could call that art. This is the Ibis budget Bordeaux Airport. Why not stay here? There's 100 reasons.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Good morning from the impossibly glamorous location of the Ibis Budget Hotel. So there's 3 legs today. Bordeaux to Paris, Paris Charles de Gaulle to Atlanta, and Atlanta to Memphis. All right, let's get a bit of breakfast and head up to the airport and pray that that fog lifts. I am slightly concerned about this fog, but hopeful it's starting to rise. It looks like we're not set for an on-time departure, and I was zone 5, so I'm down the back of the bus. I don't mind. I only ever take hand luggage anyway, so it doesn't matter.
courage à toi d'être en votre compagnie.
Well, that flight was delayed in every which way it could be, including getting off. I've got quite a tight connection now to get to the flight to Atlanta, so I better rush. Charles de Gaulle is the third chamber of hell. I tried to get to 2E, area M, but that wasn't on the signs. I just went to 2E, which ended up at area L, which means you have to leave.
Enjoy your flight.
What an absolute shit show. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this flight or not, but I've got about 20 minutes until it's due to depart. I mean, it's a very nice terminal. I'm not going to see any of it though. I'm just pleased that I made it on board and that security line was horrendous.
This is a brand new aircraft. I'm sorry for this slight delay on the departure. We have to load the last luggage. I hope it won't be long. The flight time should be 8 hours and 5 minutes.
Chaque fois que ce signal est allumé,
So this A350 has turned out to be perfectly comfortable. I'm trying to think of ways in which it's different. The food was actually really quite nice for economy, and the champagne was a nice touch. The bathroom is a little bit more spacious than you might imagine, particularly for those people who need to sit down. I'm going to wash my hands and get back to my seat where I'm going to sleep.
Last minute, stop the clock and try to wake up. Behind your eyelids, a dream was lost, lost again. In the last minute, I told you everything I wanted to. And now you follow me and I follow you. Back home.
Well, that was 8 hours and 5 minutes. I'd have to say, pretty tired. There was a little baby in front who screamed or was very upset for most of the trip. There was nothing, obviously, that could be done to comfort him, but it did mean that everybody was awake for the whole time. It's good to be back in the States. Just 3 hours until I can fly to Memphis. Well, the global entry line for the first time in my experience was unusually long. I just got asked what I was here for and then sent on my way, which is fine. It goes quickly when you actually get to the desk. Now I need to leave baggage claim. I guess that means going through customs and finding my next terminal.
thank you and enjoy your flight.
I have just tried something maybe a little cheeky. I'm listed for a flight from here in Atlanta over to Memphis at 7:50 p.m. It's currently 5:30, so I'd have a bit of a wait. And there's an earlier flight at 6:25, so they've listed me for that. I chatted to them in Delta and they were adorable. And if that doesn't happen, then the second flight will take me, so there's no problem. Okay, I do need to leg it though to Concourse B. I've made it to the B concourse at least. So I got chatting to the gate agent. He thinks there's a chance I might get on. There was a gate change.
Those of you that are on standby, go ahead and stand by.
I'm the next person listed on standby and 2 people have not shown up. So he's just gone to double check that they haven't somehow gone through and gotten into their seats. And if there is a space, I might just get on board. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Last person on board.
Fasten whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air.
In the event of rough air,
I'm in Memphis. I've noticed a couple of people traveling with Joby tripods. That may mean that they're going to the same conference as me. Thanks so much for being here for this episode of Planet Patrick. Until the next one, take care. Bye-bye. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.